These are the Eco Roots Fresh Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets. Now these are ultra concentrated detergent sheets, which is awesome. First of all, they smell incredible. They smell like fresh linen with like hints of spring floral goodness, if that makes sense. I love that, like, when you're doing your laundry, you don't have to guess how much laundry liquid you're going to need. These are like one whole sheet will do a full load. If you're doing a half load, you can just break them in half, and they even have this like little perforated edge to make them really easy to snap in half as well. Just throw it in with your laundry. There you have it. Easy peasy. No guessing how much liquid you need to put in. No, there's like no spilling of the liquid as well, which I really like because I always like accidentally spill it in the wrong places. And yeah, these are just really great. They're going to make your laundry come out nice and clean and smelling super duper fresh. Like I said, they're ultra concentrated, so you've got more than enough detergent in there to get all of your dirties nice and clean. So highly recommend them. Go check them out.